Welcome to an ACM Quick Tip video. This lesson will be on how to utilize basic filter options in Microsoft Excel. An easy way to put filters on all of your data is to go to the Data tab, then click the Filter button. Every column should now have an arrow down button that you can click on. Some of these filters can be utilized by simply selecting the boxes you want to see. For example, only 4 bathroom homes in Reynoldsburg only. You can also filter by specific criteria. Click on the down arrow and select Number Filters. Here we have a list of options to sort the data. Let's say we only wanted to see listing prices less than $250K. Select the less than, and then next type in the $250,000 and hit OK. Don't forget these filters can add up. If you try to apply a different filter somewhere else, it may not be including all the data. Even in my years of experience with Excel, there's some moments where one column has a filter applied and I forget to take it off. So after we go back and unselect everything, we see it works now with showing only the listing prices under $250K. Another filter option is to sort by color. Let's say you find some properties that you want to keep an eye on, or ones that you know are a no-go. After you highlight them, you go to the drop-down box and select Filter by Color. Then simply select the one you want to see. To quickly clear any filter, go to the Home tab, then Sort and Filter, then Clear. Another filter option is sorting by A to Z, and you can find that under the drop-down as well. Just be careful, if you try to sort A to Z on cells within the column, it will bring up a warning. If you expand the selection, it sorts the data and keeps the adjacent cells. If you continue, it will only sort those values in the column you selected. And the last quick tip that may come in handy, let's say you filter your list down. If you highlight over the numbered cells, it will give you a summary in the bottom right corner of Excel. The average, count, and total will appear just for the one selected and not the entire data sheet. And that's all for today. Please hit the like button and subscribe for more Excel videos.